Hello guys, today I'm gonna to show you how to install Wine on Ubuntu 24.04. So let's start. So this is the last of command. First we need to update the system. So let's open a new terminal and then make the update. So don't worry, I will give you the last of command. So please help us and support us. We need to reach more subscribers. And then we need to upgrade for the second command and waiting for upgrade. And then after the upgrade we go to the next command, and then the fourth command. Let's clear the terminal. And now we must update. And the last command for installation. Okay, the installation is finished. So let's test the version of Wine. And this is the version of Wine. It's 9.0. So this is how to install Wine on Ubuntu 24.04. Thank you for watching and see you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.